Hi. The process for using Web GenAI is provide a prompt and you get a system, a running database, a web app, and an API. Collaborate with stakeholders using the web app. Iterate to get the requirements right. Download the created project and customize in your IDE using Python and rules. So let's give it a try. Here's our prompt. And here's the system, the database, web app, and API. The web app has live screens, multi-table, screen transitions, and live data. Much more effective than wireframes. You can iterate your design, add new columns and tables, rename tables, and retain all the work you've done. The web app is based on an automatically created JSON API, which you can explore with Swagger. And when you're ready, download the project and customize it in your IDE using Python and declarative spreadsheet-like rules. And that's all there is to it. It simply cannot be faster or easier. All the speed of GenAI, the flexibility of a framework, and the power of declarative logic. Thanks for watching.